back to another video, guys. I'm going to be making some steamed cabbage with veggie mince, some nice spelt dumpling with some nice gooey yellow yam that I found yesterday. Alright, if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, like our video, and subscribe to the channel. If you're one of my regular viewers, thank you so much for the support. Now let us get right into it. Now before you start doing anything, I want you to rehydrate the soy mince with some warm water. And I've used half cup because you know when it's swell and rehydrate is gonna be enough for what I'm gonna do it. Now I'm just gonna use half of this cabbage because you see how big it is, right? So we can use half now and half for something else another time. Now for this dish, guys, I want it to be well seasoned and nice, right? So we're going to use ginger, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, scallion, sweet pepper, some thyme, onions, tomatoes, and carrots. Now I'm going to use some other stuff, but when we move to that section, we talk about it. All right, let's get into kneading the dough. Now we're going to add some salt, and I'm using sea salt. All right, you can mix it up. You can use a spoon to knead your dough, but I prefer to use my hands. Just make sure your hands are clean and your nails are short. Now you want to create the dough just enough to bring it together. You don't want it to be too soft. Now guys, make sure your water is boiling before you put in the dumplings, alright? You also want to add salt. And of course guys, you can make the dumpling as big as all you like them, alright? Make sure when you add the dumplings to the pot, you just give them a little stir so they don't stick to the bottom, alright? Return your pot cover. We're going to do the yam. Now remember, I always tell you when you're peeling yam, don't let the peel touch your skin, alright? Because it will itch. Let me give it a quick little wash. And again, you can cut these as how big as how you want them, alright? I know a lot of persons don't like the taste of veggie mince. Now the reason to it, I think you're not washing your soy mince properly. What I usually do is just rinse it out until I don't see that brown substance from the soy mince, alright? Some people boil it before, some people just add water to rehydrate it. I prefer just adding the warm water and just rinse it out really good. And you see how much I got from it. Okay guys, just showing you how our dumpling coming along nicely over there. Alright, so I've added the garlic and the ginger first. Going in with our Scotch bonnet pepper and everything else. Now I'm going to go in with the soy mince. For every layer of things you add to your pot, I would really suggest you adding a little bit of salt. So when you finish, the food don't taste that bland, right? We want this to cook up a little. Want to add some pimento and 2 bay leaves. Also guys, I do believe if you're adding fresh thyme, I want you to add like a little bit of dry thyme, sorry. I do believe that when they come together, the flavor release more in the pot. Because remember, fresh herbs normally don't give the same flavor as dry herbs, alright? So just cover and leave it there just to cook down for a little. Now guys, this is after 10 minutes and we're still cooking down our veggie mince. I wanted the flavors to go right through and through our veggie mince, alright? So still continue to cook. Now guys, I'd suggest you turn down your flame. Now I'm going to add a little bit of water because the water that was in the veggie mince is dry now. So just a little toops, and already the flavor change in the chunks. So what I'm going to do again is to just add the pot cover over it just to cook it down a little bit longer. Alright guys, what I'm going to do is to go in with a little bit of ketchup and water. So between the ketchup and the water, it was 2/3 of a cup. Alright. Still wanted to add a little bit more salt because remember we had gone in with the water and the ketchup. So just add like a pinch of salt. Also gonna go in with some cumin. And some black pepper. Okay guys, this is our final cook down before adding the cabbage. You can see everything is just looking so nice. Adding our cabbage. And carrots. Okay guys, the cabbage is at where I want it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.